Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a love reading for the sign of Scorpio. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Scorpios out there. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You can also check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. And yeah, let's see what's coming up for you, Scorpio, for the month of November. Okay, so the Hermit and the Two of Pentacles showed up uh, without even me asking anything. So I think there is some kind of a silence between you and your person at this time, maybe. Okay, somebody is juggling with a decision or trying to figure if they want to reach out to you or not, or vice versa. Maybe you are trying to balance energies, wondering if you should reach out to this person. So let's see, what is your overall energy when it comes to love in the month of November? Okay, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. So Scorpio, something is coming towards you, you're waiting for it, it's almost there. Okay, so there is a huge wish fulfillment coming towards you. Something that you've always wished for is coming true. Okay, you just need to be a little bit patient because you know it's coming towards you. It's just a matter of time. So let's see what is happening in your love life, Scorpio. What's happening? Oh, death, the first card. Okay, Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, and I never get reversals. I mean, I always I don't read reversals, but this is funny because, yeah, the moon. The Page of Pentacles. And the King of Swords. Okay, so Scorpio. This is the sign of Scorpio, by the way. You are showing up in your own reading. So yes, this is definitely something meant for you, I feel. And under the deck, we have the Four of Swords. So there is a lot of healing happening right now. I think you're focused on yourself, your own healing. There is definitely very little communication or no communication between you and your person. There feels to be like you feel like there has been an ending of some sort. Okay, you're trying to get over this, you're trying to heal from this. Three of Cups. So somebody is thinking of a reconciliation, or maybe there could be a reconciliation in the future, or maybe you're just thinking about it. Okay, because you've healed from something, or you're healing, trying to heal from some ending which has happened. So maybe this is something that is a possibility. And there is that Ace of Cups. So yeah, there is a new beginning in love, maybe with the person you ended things with. So yeah, this could be somebody from your past. Okay, but let's see. So the first card here is death. So there definitely was an ending, but death is also about a new beginning after an ending. So there is something that is coming up again for you, Scorpio. Okay, somebody who was single and independent now is coming out of that feeling of being single. Somebody probably is thinking of a commitment here, or open to the idea of commitment. This is also feeling not independent, feeling a bit codependent on somebody, like emotionally dependent on somebody, maybe. Okay, yeah, there is some lack of clarity. There are some hidden feelings as well. The moon is here, but there is a lot of feelings between you and your person, but it's just not expressed. Okay, there is no expression of love, or there's no expression of any emotions here between you and your person. Something is hidden. Either you are hiding feelings from them, or vice versa. But there is something coming towards you, offer a message. Maybe they might message you, or you might send them a message. Something very small, like, very that initial stage. But this has a potential of going long term. Okay, this is good news coming towards you. King of Swords, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Cancer, Pisces. But this is again somebody who's very detached, somebody who is not very emotional, not good with communication. So this could be either again your energy or this person's energy that you're dealing with. Okay, but let's see, this could be also somebody at work for you, somebody you talk to, but it's very cut and dry. It's very, the communication is very, you know, non-emotional, very practical kind of day-to-day kind of a communication. So let's see, why is the Nine of Cups here and the Three of Wands here for Scorpio? What is that about? Four of Pentacles. So yeah, there is some wish fulfillment, but this is coming after, I think this is, you know, you waiting for somebody to open up, because this is holding back on something, emotions. Somebody is not expressing themselves, somebody is holding back. So I think you know that this person is going to open up to you. The wish fulfillment here is that this person should come towards you, but maybe they're holding back, but you know that this is going to happen. Okay, so let's see one more card for that Four of Pentacles. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. Somebody is like juggling with something, a decision maybe. Like I said, this could be this other person who is not very consistent. Okay, they're feeling like there could be some times when they message you and then sometimes they don't. So there's a very up and down energy here. So the wish fulfillment for you here, I mean, you are probably hoping for something consistent, something balanced. Okay, because right now it looks like this person is holding back from you. Okay, they're holding back communication, they're holding back from expressing themselves. So let's see, what is this death energy for Scorpio, please? Tower. Yeah, so there was an ending here of some sort. It kind of came suddenly. It was sudden. It was something shocking, probably not expected. So something came to an end here, which is why there's that death. So why is this Nine of Pentacles in the reverse for Scorpio? Page of Swords. So somebody is, I think, finally trying to open up, in the sense of being open to, or this is, like I said, somebody not feeling stable, not feeling independent, not able to kind of detach from this emotionally as well. So there's some kind of spying happening here, either from your side or their side. This person probably thought that they'll be fine by themselves, they'll manage pretty well without you, but it doesn't seem that way now. This person feels very unstable. Okay, this person thought that they could handle themselves without you, be single, independent, have fun, but I don't think that that is happening. So now this person is, you know, because they're not maybe in communication with you, they're just trying to spy on you online, they're trying to keep tabs on you, maybe see what's up with you, what's happening in your life maybe. So why is this moon here? Why is this moon here for Scorpio? Six of Cups. Yeah, so this is somebody from the past. Maybe, like I said, in the past this person was not very expressive, or you could have not expressed your feelings with this person, but there is this person does want to come back. Okay, they want a reconciliation, but again there is something very they are not exactly coming in completely ready. Even if they do come back to you, I don't see them opening up immediately. There are still something that is hidden between the two of you, like they're still hiding some feelings here, not exactly opening up. Why is this Page of Pentacles here? But they do have deep emotions for you. Okay, so yeah, let's see, why is the Page of Pentacles here for Scorpio? Three of Pentacles. So yeah, they are going to come towards you, offering you something very stable. This is going to be something, I mean, don't expect this to happen like overnight. They might just initiate something small, but yeah, this person's intention is to give you stability and something in the long term. They want to put work into this connection. and maybe they'll just start small, okay, trying to show their interest in taking this connection further. So why is this King of Swords here? Why is the King of Swords here for Scorpio? Yeah, four of swords. So this, like I said, this person is not very good with communication. So this person might come in at some time, and then there could be long gaps of communication, like you would go without talking to them for a long time, because this person is not very expressive, not very emotional. So but this person, it looks like they've healed from something, or they're healing, trying to heal some parts of this behavior. So let's see, why is the Four of Swords here? And very clearly the communication between the two of you has not been great. Yeah, see, Eight of Pentacles. So they are waiting to heal completely from something. I think they realize that they have not done enough in this situation, especially when it comes to communicating their feelings. But they are trying to heal from something, and they are waiting to maybe they want to feel ready before they can show you that side of them, that emotional side of them. Okay, so they are waiting for something here. Let's see how does this person feel about Scorpio, the person Scorpio is thinking about right now. How do they feel about Scorpio? Knight of Pentacles showed up. So yeah, heavy earth element. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person definitely wants to come towards you, wanting to offer you something stable and long term, but they're very slow. Don't expect this person to do anything sudden. They are taking their time, they are taking their own sweet time to come towards you. Okay, but yeah, they are working their way towards you slowly. Okay, and they want to come giving you something very solid, very long term, very stable. How does this person think and feel about Scorpio, please? Six of Pentacles. So they do realize that there was an unequal imbalance between energies here. They were not giving in enough, as much as you were. So they do realize that. They know that there has been something which is not equal and balanced here. Okay, so what else? Nine of Swords. They feel a lot of anxiety and worry about expressing themselves, maybe about their emotions. How they're not sure how to come towards you. There's a lot of worry and anxiety, but it's all mental. Okay, like they're just thinking about it in their head by themselves. So what else do they feel and think? Yeah, Four of Cups. They miss you a lot, they think about you a lot. Okay, they have a lot of emotions for you. They do think about you a lot. They do miss you. What else? Queen of Wands. So they are trying to take their power back, or they see you as the Queen of Wands here. Somebody very attractive, very powerful, like you are doing your thing, and they really admire you for that. So what is this Knight of Pentacles about for Scorpio's person? Judgment. So yeah, they have made this decision to come towards you. They are making a judgment call, and they've decided that they want to put work into this connection. But like I said, they are very slow to come towards you. Why is the Six of Pentacles here for Scorpio, please? Scorpio's person, please. Queen of Pentacles. So they do see you as somebody who's very nurturing, very loving, somebody worth investing in. Okay, so which is why they want to come towards you now to balance those energies. Like I said, this person may not have expressed themselves or put any energy into this connection before, but now they want to. Okay, they want to come towards you. They want to put work into this. They do see you as somebody worth investing in, or putting work, or having a relationship with. But they do have a lot of respect for you. They see you as queen, Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. So they hold you in high regard. So what is this Nine of Swords about for Scorpio's person? Ten of Swords. So yeah, they are worried that there could be an ending here. Okay, they are worried that you might end things with them, and they probably are. They do realize that it's all because of what they have not expressed or communicated. So they are worried that things could come to an end here if they don't make a move towards you very soon. So why is this Four of Cups here? Eight of Cups. They miss you because maybe you walked away from this person, okay, emotionally or physically, but there is an emotion, there is a distance between the two of you, I feel that, um, which is why they miss you so much. They feel like this is a missed opportunity. Why is the Queen of Wands here for Scorpio's person? Page of Wands. So they see you as a queen, and they see themselves as a page, I feel that. They do want to come towards you. They feel a lot of passion, but they don't think they are up to your level. They see you as somebody who's so above their league. Okay, so under the deck there is Six of Swords. So yes, they do want to move towards you, and they want to go towards something much more stable with you. Knight of Cups, they have a lot of love for you, okay? They want to come and express their love for you. King of Wands, see, finally they are leveling up, I think, or they will level up to be like this King of Wands, very passionate. So although they're starting off as a Knight of Pentacles, I think over a couple of weeks or months they might find that determination and that courage to pursue you, and express their feelings. See, Temperance, they're trying to balance something out here for you. I mean, so that there is balance in this connection. Okay, they're trying to heal something here. Yeah, Sun. A lot of happiness and abundance. You could be dealing with a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, even Earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So a lot of signs here. But let us pick some more messages for you. What other messages do we have for Scorpio when it comes to this connection and this person? Do not hesitate to take action. This is your time. Be bold. Take bold steps and go ahead. Okay, so this is for some of you. My heart says stay, my mind says go. So yeah, like I said, somebody is in two minds here. This could be you also. Like, you may want to give this person another a chance, and some others may want to just let go of this connection and move ahead. Okay, but this is what I have for you, Scorpio. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and a subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care. Bye.